are going to, wait, what is this? Wait, what is that actually? I don't know. But we're going to the middle, right? Yeah. Okay, come brother. Yeah. Okay, now we're waiting to go down to. Yes, because I walk too. What? Can I put my vlog too? Yes, okay, obviously. I'll put it on. If you want to go to my little brother's YouTube channel, you can. It's linked down below. And go subscribe to him and subscribe to me too, so never miss an upload. But now, brother, walk straight. Don't follow me, okay? Why? Because then you won't win. You will die. I want to die. No, you don't. You don't want to die. Okay, go here, brother. Okay. And then jump. I can't. Okay. But try. And then you jump here up. I'm trying. I died. I'm gonna die. But try. I'm gonna die. I died. Did you die? Yes, I did. No, you're there, climbing. Oh, now you died. Oh, I'm blind. Yeah, and today I'm doing double uploads because on Friday I missed it. So yeah. Oh yeah, and now we're going to the middle again. Right? Yeah. Good. Yeah, bro. Oh, yeah, bro. Okay, come here, brother. Yes, sir. Come here, brother. I'm coming. Good. We're not waiting for you. You'll die, and you will die again, and again, and again, and again. That's so sweet. I know. I'm your best sister. Yeah. You should be happy for having me. Yeah. Okay, but go in here. Okay. So you take off that jumper thing. Right? No. And sorry for those beep, those beep, sounds. It's just my phone charging. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now we're going up. We're going up. Brother, I might die because I can't go up. No, I'm up. Okay, jump here up. Yeah. No, I died. I died. No. You jump there where I showed you last time. Okay. And then I'll watch you. So I see if you die. Oh, you're here. Oh, good. Okay. I see you jumping. I see you jumping. And jump. And you're boring. Are you boring? Yes. Oh, I don't want to be your brother anymore. I'm kidding. Oh, okay. But, oh, you died. Nice. Okay, come. Sweetie, I won't kill you. Okay. Okay, I'll buy this trophy so when I'm done, I can show it in your face and slap you with it. Nice. So you have a trophy face. That's sweet. I know, right? We both are so sweet. But we want to kill each other. No, we don't. You want just eggs? Less eggs. No. I like turtles. Oh, man. A dream. Save the turtles. You know what? What? I should go home. Wait, no. You should take the speeding and run, not just jump there. No, I fell. I died. Again. I die all the time. Because why will I not die? Why so bad? I see you there. You died too. No. I saw you. Don't you lie. I'm with you here. I see you climbing. Sorry. You don't get the sorry, or I kill you. Oh, there you are. I kill you. No. Why are we talking so much about killing each other? Stop. Yes. It's too violent. Before we get demonetized. Yeah. fell. I fell all the time. It's hard to play on a mobile device. Oh, yeah. That shake is when I get angry. Yes. Brother, you're doing so good. What can I call you? I don't want to call you brother. Brother. What can I call you? Can I call you Poopy Head? Sure. Okay, Poopy Head. Stop. Poo. Stop. You can stop. Yes, I'm so good at talking. Poo. You. Yummy. I like Poopy Heads. Oh yeah, Poo. You said I get to call you Poo. I was kidding. What can I call you then? King. Okay. A garbage bag, can you jump? Because I don't want to step on your head. You call me Marbury. Garbage bag sounds much better. No, I'll leave then. No, don't. Call me Marbury. What? Then call me Miss. Okay. Okay, good. Oh, that was high. Okay, go here. No, wrong way. Go here. No, I don't want to leave. Yes, you want to leave. I'm not talking to you. Who are you talking to? To me. Oh, you don't have friends. Yeah. I know how you get friends. I'll slap your face then. Okay. I died. I was gonna say water comes, but then I died, and then I was. Don't say orange juice. Why did you choose this one? It takes so long. Okay, no, it didn't take that long. Okay, just forget what I said, okay? No, never forget what you said. Yes. I'll climb so he doesn't find me. Oh no, he found me. Found you. No! Can I poop on you now? Why are we talking about poop now? I like poop. No. We talk like a normal person, please. $200 then. Never, ever. Yes. Oh man, I died. Okay, let's go here. I'll be here. If you need, I'll be here. As brave. Okay, come now. Come now. As stand. Okay, now we'll go here. No, I cannot. Come here. Okay, let's go. Uh-oh. Bye-bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And don't forget to comment.